growing raising plants and require huge roots to distinguish real can from purple relief that can end in overkilling the plants. Here are the main limits and truths so you don't make mistake. Myths and truths about care. Myths first understand the plants and don't need to prevent watering. Truths and ringtones with evaporation is much faster, especially enhancing and potential resistance. Winds from outside solid and the search rules. They need the regular watering to stay healthy with either wait in the early morning or late afternoon. The point loses due to evaporations. Mixing the leaves helps cool the plants when they strong sun. Through spraying water when the leaves during mixed heat can cause burns. Wetting on sun during the hot summers. Truths, large pots help initiate survival. Largely development of the cell. The large the mostly retain the roots are to create the plants and hydrates first and it recommends to change to large foods. Fruits multi protects the roots using pine barks or organic mats and the substrates help helps retain moisture as it protects the roots from overheat. Um, what doesn't one wants flower for needs? That's kind of stand direct sun. Town ponds. 11 clock flowers for Tulula. And the succulent flowering open with the sun. And story wording it leaves. Vinca. Primarily resident blooms in Monroe and one stand pound some water waiting and probably watering 12. So I live in plants with braids, color very resistant and adaptable. Spirals fern, very resistant in the wind light. It hits your prints and voluminous print clothes. Victoria loves sun. If looks what waters or summertime, it's waiting quickly boats recovers after water ordering. Brown or one once rest and blue is around. Can buy hungry and love sun. Don't forget to take caption and leave your comments.